Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can update your CapCut PC to the latest version. Go to menu and go to the more section, select the version, check for updates, and if you have an update here, you're going to just select install now. I don't have any space right now, but you're just going to select install and it's going to install the app for you. It's going to close. Don't worry because CapCut saves your projects automatically anyways. So if it gets automatically closed so that you can update your app, it's fine. Don't worry about it. And yeah, that is it. It's going to obviously restart the app. You don't have to restart your device though. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.